Make money online with Redbubble. I reached $100 on Redbubble. And how long has it been? 8 months. Is that a good result? I'm gonna show you honestly what sells and what doesn't. I wanna help you reach your first $100 too. And hopefully it doesn't take you 8 months like I do. I hope it's gonna take you fast. Okay. Earnings summary. Okay, I reached $100.32. Alright, there. November $3, $2, $12, $4, $24, $16, $25, $11. Out of 681 design, only 29 sells, and those 29s are from here until here. The rest of this doesn't make any sales at all. All this, they are not making any money. Not yet. None. Okay, so there are two ways that you can go with Redbubble. The strategy that you can do with Redbubble, either building your own store to be very professional in one niche, one art style, or one particular theme, I think. Or you can keep chasing keyword trends every day. It's been proved in my own store that those trending keywords really do sell. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope this video can help you. That's it. Bye.